Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sunitha Ravi. Today I will discuss two questions on marginal costing and profit planning. I hope you must have seen my earlier videos. Let's understand the question first. So the information is given for first half and second half. Sales, total cost is given. We have to calculate profit volume ratio, fixed cost, break even sale, percentage of margin of safety to total sale. So first we calculate PV ratio. So PV ratio, if the information is of two time periods, means here first half and second half is given, so we have to apply the formula change in profit upon change in profit upon change in sales into 100. But according to this question, profit is not given. So we can apply the formula profit is equal to sales minus total cost. Sales minus total cost is profit or loss. Sales is 45,000. 40,000 is our total cost. So in case of first half, profit is equal to 5,000. And in case of second half, sale 50,000, total cost 43,000. So profit is equal to 7,000. Now we have to apply this formula change in profit upon change in sale into 100. Change in profit means the difference between first half and second half, that is 5,000 to 7,000, that is equal to 2,000 upon change in sale. According to this question, change in sale is the difference between these two, that is equal to 5,000. So we write it here 5,000 multiplied by 100, that is equal to 40%. Second, we have to calculate according to the question fixed cost. Fixed cost is also known as fixed expenses. In order to calculate fixed cost, we can apply the formula that is equal to sales multiplied by PV ratio minus profit. So for calculation of fixed cost, we can take first half or second half. Both the answers should be same because it is fixed cost. So for first half, sale is equal to, according to the question, sale 45,000. So we write it here 45,000 multiplied by PV ratio. The answer we already have calculated 40% minus, if we take first half, there we have to take the profit of first half, that is equal to 5,000. So we write it here 5,000. So fixed cost over first half, that is equal to 13,000. So another option for you, if you calculate on the basis of second half, then also we will get the same answer. So if we take second half, there sales is equal to 50,000. So we write it here 50,000 multiplied by PV ratio 40% minus profit of second half is 7,000. So we write it here 7,000. Again we are getting 13,000. It is not necessary to calculate on both the time periods. We can take any one time period in order to calculate the fixed cost. Now after calculating this, next we have to calculate break even sale. So break even sale is equal to fixed cost upon PV ratio. Fixed cost upon PV ratio. So already we have calculated fixed cost, that is 13,000. 13,000 upon PV ratio, we know the answer, that is 40%, that is equal to 32,500. Last we have to calculate percentage of margin of safety to total sale. So here we write percentage of margin of safety to total sale, that is equal to total sale minus break even sale upon total sales into 100. So margin of safety is the difference between total sale and break even sale. We have to calculate percentage, so we have to divide it with total sale, multiply it 100. So total sale is equal to total sale according to question, first half 45,000, second half 50,000, that is equal to 95,000. So we apply in this formula, that is equal to 95,000 minus break even sale we have already calculated, that is 32,500 upon 95,000 into 100, that is equal to 65.79%. So this is the answer of this question. Now second question. Now we do next question. Here, from the following data of AB Limited, we have to calculate PV ratio, break-even sale, sales required to earn profit of rupees 8 lakh. Information is given, fixed expenses या fixed cost 1 lakh, variable cost per unit is given, direct material, direct labor, direct overhead, that is given 100% of direct labor. Now selling price per unit is also given. So first we calculate variable cost per unit. Variable cost per unit. So according to the question, variable cost per unit, first one direct material. Direct material is equal to rupees 7. And apart from direct material, direct labor is also given. So we write it here, direct labor, that is equal to rupees 2. Next, direct overhead, that is 100% of direct labor. It is given direct overhead is equal to 100% of direct labor, that is equal to 100% of direct labor is 2, that is equal to rupees 2. So variable cost per unit is equal to 7 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 11. And according to the question, selling price per unit is also given 15. So we can apply the formula first. PV ratio is equal to sales minus variable cost upon sales into 100. If the sale and variable cost are given in per unit, that we can apply, that is equal to selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit upon selling price per unit into 100. So we know the value of selling price per unit. According to the question, it is given 15. So we apply this, that is equal to 15 minus, we have already calculated variable cost per unit is 11. So we write it here 11 upon 15 into 100, that is equal to 26.67%. And after calculating PV ratio, we have to calculate break even sale. So second, break even sale is equal to fixed cost upon PV ratio. So we know the value of fixed cost that is already given in the question, that is equal to 1 lakh. So here 1 lakh upon PV ratio, already we have calculated PV ratio, that is equal to 26.67%, that is equal to 3,74,953. Next, after calculating this, next we have to calculate sales required to earn a profit of rupees 8 lakh. So we write it here, sales required to earn a profit of rupees 8 lakh, that is equal to 8 lakh. So here we have to calculate the required sale at a profit of this much. Here this means this is our desired profit. So sales required is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit upon PV ratio. We know the value of fixed cost that is given in the question. Fixed cost is equal to 1 lakh. So we write it here, that is equal to 1 lakh plus desired profit is given 8 lakh upon, we have already calculated PV ratio, that is equal to 26.67%, that is equal to 33 lakh 74,578. This means in order to achieve this desired profit of 8 lakh, we have to keep the sale, that is equal to 33 lakh 74,578. Thanks for watching the video.